Hi guys, so just came out for going to office with my Kia Carens Clavis. Suddenly, the tire pressure monitoring, is showing that there is a less pressure in one of the wheels. So it is keeping on decreasing. Seems like it might be a puncture. So just looking for a puncture repair shop. So just will keep you posted what happens. But we are getting late for the office also. Yeah, it is. But we'll have to fix it. Otherwise, I don't know. What if the tire is flat when we are coming out of the office? Then it will be a bigger problem. So need to get it repaired. It started to show this alert when it reached 31, but now it is in 26 after like 30 minutes of driving. So seems definitely a puncture. We'll need to fix it. We'll have to check where we can find, but in this office hours and all that, right? This puncture repair shops are like really on the roadside. There is a lot of traffic, etc. So it's difficult to like stop such a huge car in those areas, right? So we have tried to find a place where we went to a puncture repair shop, but it seemed to be closed inside some gully. We'll have to find out.
Crossing the Satya Sai. We are still waiting and looking for a puncture shop. We could not go to office also, and all of you might be well aware of Bangalore traffic, that too during the office hours and inside Whitefield ITPL road. It's bumper to bumper traffic, and it's hours now. We are still in the traffic, and we have found some puncture shop near ACS layout. That's why we are going there, and the air level is decreasing from 31. It is now 23.
No, we'll have to check. I am just getting worried that this EV puncture can be done in any shop or not. So we'll come to know. As far as I know, this tire is same as what we get in ICE. So possibly if there is a puncture, then we should be able to get it fixed in any normal puncture repair shop. The only thing is in this area, it's not easy to get a puncture repair done. We have to find something in Google Maps, and we have called that person that whether it is open or not, because we went to a gully, found a puncture shop which was not open. So now we have. Other thing is kilometer per kilowatt has also decreased from 7 to 6.5, maybe because of puncture. Yeah.
See the Bangalore traffic. Time is around 11:20 am. We have started from home, 9:20, I believe. 9:30, 9:20, 9:30. We are still roaming around Whitefield only. Yes, CMRIT, ये hostel. I was here in this hostel, in this place. है 360 डिग्री कैमरा.
पूरा राइट साइड घुमा देंगे.
Yeah, we just got one puncture shop. He said that there is just one hole. I don't know how that hole came. No, there was nothing
No nails and
no nails and all.
School zone ahead.
So now it is looking like this. 35. Went all the way till 21. So now, at least it got repaired in a normal puncture shop.